Usually it's the time it takes to get a replication back up, or just trying to find it quickly as we're getting hammered on by the users.
Biggest pain point is probably just making sure that we have proper backups, the snapshot.
Right now we're actually managing backups through net backup and using different localized clients, and meanwhile trying to back up across several data centers and rapidly growing infrastructure with mismanaged hardware across all kinds of different platforms. So trying to standardize on one specific vendor or a suite of vendors that actually complement each other and meet all our needs, but within our budget.
Yeah, hardware costs are a pain point. We're constantly having to buy additional storage. It just keeps growing every year, terabytes upon terabytes, and it just always has to grow.
What to do with the expired backups, and how well is there a solution that will take care of archiving it, or making sure that we don't have too many backups present which we might not use it. Cost, I don't think that's a limiting factor for us. If we could get a best service for the cost we are paying, we would be really happy.
Greatest pain points basically is all of it. We use different backup technologies. We spend a lot of money on backup technologies. So we're constantly searching for the best way to back up this specific thing.
The move to Cohesity is beneficial away from Veritas. We're looking forward. One of the things it can do is the SIF mount. We currently do our SQL backups in a different route, and we're looking forward to being able to do that through a SIF mount directly to the box and be able to replicate it to another site. Also, the interface and the backup technology and times on the Cohesity are far outweigh what I've seen in Veritas.
Easier to manage, one vendor to buy things from, one infrastructure.
Worst case scenario, a week.
Anywhere between 15 minutes to an hour.
The restore times for our backups are probably about an hour to 2 hours.
Frustrating.
Yes, very frustrating for the customers and the end users also.
To restore about 100 gigs, it'll take us hours to do. It's a slow network. Have to go over the internet. It's definitely not fast.
When we are doing the restore of our backups to another location, it could take easily like 3 to 4 hours for us to do that. Yeah.
Testing out the Cohesity, it is down to minutes to get it back up and running.
The hyper-converged infrastructure, I just think that's going to be the future.